Welcome back if you're listening out there in Radio Land. Hope you're doing good. Hope you're staying safe. Hope you're staying at home. It's a little crazy being at home all the time, but maybe we're all getting more rest. So here we go with find the equation of the arithmetic sequence. The book actually says find the equation of the nth term. So what I want is an equation where I could find any term. Well, that's the first term, this is the second term, that's the third term. So if I wanted the 54th term, I just stick 54 in the equation. If I want the third term, I put 3 in it. If I want the second term, I put 2 in the equation. If I want the first term, I put 1 in the equation. So I got to come up with an equation. Okay, well, lucky for us that here's the first formula you're going to see. Where this is the nth term, and that's n. So if you think about it, please think about this. This is almost like fill in the blank. Because I'm going to leave n in a formula. Formulas usually have variables in them. We're going to leave the n's alone. I need the first term to go right here. Well, guess what? The first term was 13. Yippee skippy, that was tough. And then you're going to have to figure out the common difference. Oh, I don't know, perhaps it's 6. Now, I won't give you any credit on the test if you leave the formula like this, because we'll expect you to simplify this a little bit. How about 6n minus 6? Then let's write the n one first. I don't know, where's my calculator? 13 minus 6, that's 7. And there's your formula. And notice this works for anything. When n is 1, that's 6 plus 7 is 13. How about 2? 6 times 2 is 12. 12 plus 7, 19. 3. 6 times 3, 18 plus 7, 25. This formula works literally for anything. So when you get down here to this one, you need the same formula to do this one. Okay, let's see here. The first term is 24. Boy, that was hard. We don't change the n's, leave them alone. I wonder what the common difference is. Perhaps it's 11. So here I go with 24. Distribute the 11. Write your final answer. And you're done. There's the nth. This is the formula of the nth term. So if you wanted the 75th term, I mean, you could just keep adding 11 75 times, or you could put 75 right there. And you would be good. Okay? Let's switch over to 23. Because I obviously thought these problems were too easy, so now they throw me a curveball, and look, they didn't give me the first term. What did they give me? They gave me the 7th term. Oh no. So if you think about your formula, I mean, here's your formula right here. We need to know the first term. I know the common difference is 5. But what in the world was the first term? Well, I don't know. So if you want to find the first term, they're going to make you do 2 formulas right here. We know that A7 is 21. We don't know the first term. But if A7 is 21, we're going to let n be 7. There it is right there. And this way we can solve for the first term. So this is 21 equals A1. 6, this is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. Subtract 30. The first term was -9. So now let's go write my formula. The first term is -9 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. Distribute the 5. And here's your final answer, 5n minus 14. So we got 5n minus 14. Okay. So that should be okay on that. So you're going to have to, if they don't give you the first term, you're going to have to solve and find it. Well, think about this. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got 4 variables in that formula. If you know 3 of them, you can solve for the 4th. Doesn't matter what it is. Let's go to 26. Let's see. The first term would appear to be 9. N minus 1. The common difference is -7. Look, this is going down. Don't do +7. If it goes down, do -7. Let's see, 9 minus 7n plus 7. About -7n plus 16. We're good on that one. And then here, they're communist again. Look, they give me the 15th term. So we're going to let n equal 15. And we're going to take our formula and we're going to put the 15th term there. We don't know the first term, 15 minus 1. The common difference is 2/3. Okay, so I'm going to do 7a1 plus, this is 14. 14 times 3 times 2 is 28. This is going to be 28 over 3. So I'll want to subtract 28/3 from both sides. Okay, this is going to be calculator dependent on. So if you like to use your calculator, here's a good place to do it. Math, enter, -7/3. Okay, so -7/3 is the first term. Okay, so now I just want, I'm going to put the -7/3 right here. I'm going to do n minus 1 times 2/3 right there. Let's see, -7/3 plus 2/3 n minus 2/3. So let's write the n one first. 7, 2, that's -9/3. Oh, look. 3 goes into 9. What do you know? Okay, so here's your final answer right here. So on these, you're going to have to do 2 formulas. First, you got to find the first term. That's over here. Then you got to turn over and find the equation. That's over there. Okay, so you can go back and look at that as much as you need to. And let's see here. What did we do? We wanted to do 7 through 9. And I did 7 and 9. So we want to go get 8. Wrong book. Okay, so let's see. We're on 670. Here we go right here. You want to go do 8. Not 8. Oh well. Let's go down here and get the ones at the bottom. We just did these 4 right here. So you want to do these other ones over here. That'll give you 8 of them to do, which is enough. So those 8 ought to be good. Let's blow this up a little bit where you can see them. So that gives you 8 problems to do. And boy, it would appear that they load you up on, you're going to have to double equation these four, but let n equal 9 on that one, let n equal 5 on this one, n equals 8, n equals 3, n equals 6, n equals 4. On this one, you know the first term, and you know the common difference is negative 14. Here you know the first term, and the common difference is negative 9. It's going down. Make sure you do negative. It's going down. Okay? And we're pretty good on that, and we're over and out.